First ingredient is a kimchi. This kimchi I bought at the Walmart. Second one is chicken broth. You can use the regular water. I'd like to recommend use chicken broth. And third one is a tofu. And then pork meat. Pork meat is a really good match with the kimchi, so I highly recommend to use the pork meat. And then green onion also give a color and then really makes delicious flavor. And then another important thing is a sweet onion. So onion help the delicious kimchi. This is a fish sauce. This is a kind of optional. If you want a more flavor, you can add this fish sauce. And then next one is a garlic. Garlic also kind of optional because kimchi has a lot of garlic, so you don't need to put a lot of garlic. But if you want a more flavor, you can put this garlic. And then if you want a more spice, you can put this red pepper we call gochugaru. So you can buy this one at the Walmart or any kind of grocery store.
Now let's make kimchi jjigae.
The first ingredient is the onion. I will cut half and then take it off the seam. Cut half. Put in the pot. Half. So put in the onion first. And then this is almost the same amount as a kimchi. So kimchi is a 14 ounce. This meat also 14 ounce. I really like pork, so I add a lot of pork meat in the kimchi jjigae. So size is about 1 bite size. And then set in the bottom, the side of the onion. Next step is open the kimchi and put kimchi in the pot. Next one is 1 bottle of chicken broth. Put it in the pot. And next, cook it on high heat about 10 to 15 minutes. While stew is boiling, I cut the green onion about 1 finger size. So set aside in the dish. The next one is tofu. I choose the firm tofu. You can use the extra firm or soft one, whatever you want. Any kind of tofu is fine. We just only need a half tofu. This one also we will cut into bite size. When kimchi start to boiling, mix it well first. And then reduce the heat about medium. And add garlic, 1 tablespoon. I like spicy, so I add 2 tablespoons of gochugaru. Mix well. Let it simmer low heat. So now we put in the green onion and tofu. This is a basic rice. Rice and kimchi jjigae is a perfect combination. Let's eat kimchi jjigae.
Let's try. It's really good. You should try this kimchi jjigae.